Probably the number one failure of any golf cart is failure for the battery to deliver power to the cart. So this little video is set up for you to inspect your battery, make sure everything is working properly. The parts that we're going to be talking about are the two battery cells supplied in the GRX 1200. This is a sample of an older version. Currently we're shipping the newer flag terminal battery style. Comes with the same components. Jumper cables. You'll see the jumper cables on the old version. They tie the two battery cells together, adding the amperage of one cell to the other. Then you have the battery cable, the red positive terminal with the fuse blocked, and the cable that plugs into your cart. This is a very important area to make sure that the compression ring is tight against the head of the plug. You'll see that if it's loose, it allows the center of the plug to push back in. This can cause a poor connection on the cart itself. So inspect this regularly. Make sure that these two sections of the plug are tight together. The second part we want you to inspect on a regular basis to make sure that your battery terminals are all tight. And in addition to that, make sure that they're all clean and free of corrosion. Despite the fact that they may look clean, your terminals and your ring terminals, or your ring terminals, which are these pieces here, could be corroded and not visible to the naked eye. So if your cart is failing, making some weird things happen, you will want to inspect this for the end of the plug, make sure that this fitting's tight, and also to make sure your screws are tight. But if it still fails, we'll want to go ahead and take these apart and clean both the ring terminals and the terminals on the battery, put everything back together, make sure all the screws are tight, and hopefully your cart will be up and working again.